So it just keeps on snowing out here, and the weather forecast on Weather Underground was so bad with their predictions for how much snow we were going to get yesterday and the day before through that night. They didn't even put down how much they expect out of this storm. But I will say that we've gotten at least 5 more inches of snow on top of the probably 12 to 14 inches that we already had from the first day of the storm. All of the roads going into Flagstaff have been closed. The I-17, 89, and I-40. You can see how the bulge is starting to happen right up there on the snow on top of the pergola. I see that line running right there. That's the snow from the first day of the storm. And what's on top of that is the snow from today. So it's compacting. And also, step on out. Remember, we cleaned off the cars pretty much. And that's not the case now. Yeehaw. Boy, boy.